Hi, welcome to Clark College. I hear you need to take a math class next term.
Yes, I do, but what's the difference between remote classes and online classes? Could you help me?
I'm happy to. I'm Kate Cook, a faculty member in the math department.
Hi, Professor Cook. I'm James.
Let's start with the things that are true of both online and remote courses. Most math classes will use some kind of online homework system like Newton, XYZ, MyLab Math, LawMap, WebAssign, or others. A big benefit of these systems is that students get instant feedback about whether their answers are correct.
Oh, so I don't have to wait on instructors to grade my homework to know if I'm on the right track?
Exactly. Note that these systems may or may not have explanations if your solution isn't correct, and that is where your instructor plays a big part, helping you to understand the course material.
So I only do the online math homework.
No, you might also be asked to write out your work on paper, take a picture of it, and submit it in Canvas. This way, you can get personalized feedback so that your instructor can provide support when needed.
Okay, so online homework, taking pictures of some work and sending it to my instructor. Well, how would I actually learn the course material?
Most classes expect students to read the textbook, watch videos, complete group activities, and or attend class sessions through Zoom.
All of them require all of these things?
No, individual instructors will require different activities, but that last one, class sessions through Zoom, is the main difference between online and remote classes.
Oh, so what would I have to do in an online class?
Online classes this term are similar to online classes in the past. There are no scheduled class times. You do not have to be online at a specific time, and assignments must be completed on a regular basis, usually weekly.
Oh, so I can't take an online class and do all the work at the end of the term?
No, generally, you have to keep up with a weekly schedule and turn in assignments according to the course syllabus. Note that most classes include discussion forums for you to work with other students.
Hmm. I like being able to do the work on my own schedule, but only working with students through online messages and discussion forums?
Well, you might like online courses if you want to work primarily alone and seek help when you need it from your instructor, from other students, and from the tutoring center.
Oh, I didn't know about online tutoring.
It's a great way to get help on your own schedule. And you can get help by sending messages or joining a tutor for a live Zoom session. You might like online courses if you don't mind participating in discussion forums or in other ways online. Math faculty are trying a number of innovative ways to help students get engaged online.
How will I get work returned to me with feedback?
Well, in an online course, you should be willing to submit work that gets peer reviewed, that is, reviewed by other students or reviewed by the instructor.
Okay, well, what about remote classes?
A remote class is similar to traditional face-to-face classes in that there is a set meeting time. This term, most faculty are meeting their students through Zoom.
Oh, so instead of going to a classroom at, say, 11 a.m., I would sign onto Zoom. Cool. Do I have to download anything special?
No, most of the time you'll see a Zoom link in Canvas or in an email. Once you click on it, the right files will be downloaded to your computer and you should join the class session. It is a good idea to have a microphone and a webcam to get the full experience of engaging with your instructor and other students.
So I have to buy a laptop for class?
You could, but there is also a laptop program at Clark. I'll have links for that program on the last slide. While your phone can work for Zoom, you will likely need a laptop or a desktop computer to complete coursework through Canvas or the online homework systems.
I like being able to see my instructor and ask questions, but I'm not sure about being able to attend a regular class session.
You might like remote courses if you want regular live interaction with your teacher and classmates.
That sounds good.
It is important to attend the scheduled class times and know that faculty are trying to be flexible with students.
Yeah, I might have things that come up, but I will try to make every class session.
To give you an incentive to come to class, many faculty award participation points for showing up.
Hmm, that might be helpful. What would I do if I needed help or don't know how to do an assignment or am just confused?
Well, the first place to look in all your classes is in the course syllabus by clicking on the syllabus link on the left menu in Canvas. Use your browser's find feature to search for the assignment name or topic.
I never thought of using my browser's find feature for my classes, but what about getting in touch with my instructor?
All faculty have office hours through Zoom or another method. Make sure to check the schedule in your syllabus or check the Canvas calendar for your class. You can also email your professor and ask for help. Really, they want to help. In Canvas, click on the help link in the left menu, then ask your instructor a question, then select the right class and write your question.
But what if my instructor doesn't reply quickly enough?
Well, first, always make sure to start assignments well before their due date. If you wait to start an assignment on the day it is due, faculty may not have enough time to help you or answer your questions. Second, most classes have a Q&A discussion forum for you to ask questions of either your instructor or other students.
Okay, but what if I don't want everyone to know I have a question?
So again, you could email or message your instructor, but you could also ask another student. To find the list of students in your class, go to the People link on the left menu and click on the name of the student you know. Remember, you are expected to use Canvas for coursework.
So what about getting more or other kinds of help? I'm really stressed out right now.
You can get tutoring help through Clark's tutoring services by clicking on this link.
Great. What about dealing with financial aid and getting advising help?
Click on this page, scroll down to Get Virtual Assistance, click on the area you need help with, and click on the blue icon that drops down. You should be taken to a Zoom meeting with someone who can help you.
Wow, that seems so easy. What about getting help from other students?
The Associated Students of Clark College are the student government at Clark. They can help you directly or guide you to people who can.
You mentioned something about getting a laptop from the college. How would I do that?
Complete the Clark College Tech Request Form in the My Clark at Clark by clicking on Technology Request Form under the Get Started section.
What about feeling really stressed? I don't always feel like I'm at my best.
The Counseling and Health Center is a great place for all students to get care and support.
Are there other ways of getting help?
Yes, click on this link for support services and scroll down to find the wellness links. There you can find information about academic wellness, social wellness, financial wellness, and physical and emotional wellness.
Wow, I feel like there are a lot of people at Clark who care about students, not just instructors.
There are. We know right now is a difficult time to continue your studies, and everyone at Clark wants you to be successful. The faculty, staff, and administrators are doing what they can to support you.
Thank you for all this information. I know college can be challenging, but if I choose the right kind of class for me, and if I use my resources, I'm confident I can be successful.